Well, I'm sure that you've seen this online before, but when you take some of the trimmings from garlic or onions or lettuce or celery, you can create starts in your kitchen. So I'm going to actually cut these into thirds and see if I can get 3 onions out of this. My garlic has already gotten some individual roots on it, so I'm going to plant these, and then I'll have big bulbs here in a little bit. So that's that. So this is my personal little garden out here. So basil, some German thyme, some sweet potatoes. You can use the leaf from those for lettuce. That's it.